Hi all, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Nitin Kaplas. Let's talk about today's problem. Our problem name is Party of Couples. Let's read the question first. Our question said, you are given an integer array of size n representing n number of peoples in a party. Each person is denoted by an integer. Couples are represented by the same numbers. Two people have the same number, it means they are couples, right? We have to find out only single person in a party of couples, right? Here we given a note, it is guaranteed that there exists only one person which is single in a party. We have to return that single person, right? So in the example first, we have value n equal to 5 and array is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Here 3 is a single element, so we have to return that number. In the second example, we have n equal to 11 and our array is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 6. And 4 is a single, right? We have to return that 4 as the output. Okay, so let's take example first. So this is my array. Those value is 1, 2, 3, 2 and 1, right? So how to solve this question? The first solution which came to my mind is we can use here hash map, right? We can use hash map. Now, in a key value pair, key is my element, right? And value is my frequency here, right? So let's make a map here. Let me name as M. So what's the value? If I'm here, 1 is the value. How many time it have? Here it's 0, just increment to 1. Now I am here, 2 is also one time, just right here. So here is 3, 3 is also the first, so let's increase one time. Here I have 2, so 2 already have 1, so just increment to 1. So it means it's now 2. Now I'm at a 1, 1 already have one time, just increment 1 to 1. 1 to plus 1, which is 2. Now this is my step 1 where I am storing its frequency. Now step 2 is very simple. Just we have to traverse this map and just check which element frequency is 1. So if I am here, its frequency is not 1, okay. Its frequency is not 1, okay. Its frequency is 1. We have to return that element, which is 3. So here my output is 3, right? So if you talk about this solution time complexity, so here time complexity is, first of all we have to write here. So again we have to traverse here. So in worst case our complexity is big of n plus big of n, right? This is also like if all the elements are distinct. So in step 2 we have to traverse map n times, right? So its complexity is big of 2 into n, right? We can say that it's a big of n. Okay, so what's the space complexity here? So as we are using here a space, a hash map, so its complexity is big of n, right? Okay, hope you understand this question. But if you see the constraints, we have to solve this question without any extra space, means constant space. How we can solve this? So let's talk about solution 2. So my array is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So here we can solve this question with the help of XOR, right? So hope you understand this key, how what is XOR. So simply if I tell you that if we do the XOR of similar elements, just note this property. If I do the XOR of similar elements, its output is 0, right? Its output is 0. Just just do this thing. Just remind this thing. Okay. So here if I do the traversal of this array and do the XOR of all the elements, I can get my a single person. So simply if I do the XOR of all 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 2 XOR 1, if you see, just apply this property, 1 here 1 here, so it's 0. So just make 0 here. 0 into 2 3 2, 2 and 2 is also 0, right? So it makes 0. So 0 makes 0, and 0 and 3 is 3, right? This is my output, right? My output is here 3, right? So what's the time complexity of this solution? Time complexity is we are just traversing this big of n, only one traversal is there, and space here is big of 1, right? So let's code this now. So here I am initializing my answer, which is single person, right? Which is 0 initially, and I'm just traversing this. And inside this, I just do the XOR of all the elements, right? And at the end, we just return the answer. What's the answer? Tell me. Answer is giving me the single person, right? So let's compile and check. Yeah, the compilation is done. Let's submit and check. Yeah, as you see, all the test cases are passed. Hope you understand this question and intuition. Thank you so much.